Surprise, surprise! I had $5 left in my budget today, so I went ahead and got some more winter chicken dinners, keeping up the streak with my good friend Surf. We're trying to see whose payouts are the best, Ohio or North Carolina, on these winter chicken dinners, and I can tell you, Ohio's top prize is $5,000 as to where North Carolina's is $2,000. Go figure. Alright, so you guys know the drill. Owl, I hope you're watching so that you can give me some good luck, because it seems like Mr. Surf over there is winning. Alright, I'm using my trusty penny from Surf. My son calls it a football penny, as he is infatuated with it. So if there's times you see I'm not using it, it's only because he must have it somewhere. Alright, let's begin. Okay, we have us a pig egg and a tractor, a barn, some milk, a hat, and a sheep. Everything but the cowboy, y'all. Next, we have corn. Corn is always at the top. Piggy. A chicken. Whoa, dudes. We got a chicken. We got us a chicken. We want to see the egg with big prizes. Alright, let's see what the chicken gave us. $2. Where you at on that, Surf? You're higher than me still. So I'm going to fold this so I can continue on with this voyage. Alright, next, a barn, a hat. Oh, sorry guys. Corn. Is that a bunny? Oh, cute. Milk. And a piggy. I had to stop and look at that bunny. That's cute. Alright, moving along. Tractor. Milk. Hat. Corn. Bunny. And a barn. Last but certainly not least, let's find an egg. Let's find an egg. I need that egg. I need that egg with a few hundreds under there. There's a G in the mix and an R, so I've already ruined it for myself. Alright, so as you guys can see, today's winner on our winter chicken dinner is $2. I don't know about you, Surf, but I can't get a chicken dinner here for $2 unless I don't know, maybe I'll just get a chicken, just one piece. Anyway, hope you guys have a good day. I am off to practice my bus route again, and then off to work, and then back on the bus, and then hopefully home by 6 o'clock. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye now.